Hello everyone, and thank you for joining for this new video. This is Ruben Gorjian Photography, and I took this video this week at my Miami off-camera flash and wedding workshop. During my workshop, I explained and I was teaching my students the issues that you usually have when you guys are shooting outdoors during a really hard sun condition like it was that day. Even though the sun was going in and out from the clouds, it was keeps giving us a challenge to perfectly lit your subject. A concept and a technique that I was teaching my class was that at the beginning, when you have your subject or your model, you just don't pose them first. You expose for your ambient light, for your sky, for the background. Then you test your off-camera flash. You fix those, you tweak those elements, the off-camera flash, together with the ambient light. And the last thing that you do is just go and pose your bride or your subject, and then you take your picture. So as you can see, my last thing that I do before taking a picture is going to my model and really actually pose her, tell her how to pose her legs, how to break her spine, to create that S that makes the model sexier, and where to pose the hands, how and where to look, and to breathe from her lips as well. So this is the last final touches that I give instruction to my subject before I take a picture. One of the most important tasks when you guys shoot with off-camera flash is the fact that the image does not look flash at all, but it actually looks like it was shot with natural light. So that's the hardest and the toughest challenge that you guys face when you shoot with off-camera flash. Exposure doesn't change. So the door is closed. Even if you get close, the flash doesn't change. Look, the flash distance doesn't move beyond it. Unless what counts is distance and the power of the flash. By you, because the flash is not touching real way. There, doesn't make any difference. Doesn't make any difference. If it was overcast, for example, many photographers have this tough challenge to pose your subject or your model. So over here I was showing and explaining my class how you can have different variations of posing while standing on the same position and not moving. So over here I was just showing them that this macro adjustment can create a multitude of different poses within the same spot.
Micro pose.
She has a necklace over there. At day 2 we started the shooting, showing my class how I can shoot when the sun is directly into the model's face, and adding also an off-camera flash. So you can see how I'm posing again the model, body towards the light, in this case toward the sun, and face away from the sun but into the off-camera flash. So we were walking down the boardwalk, and we were scouting the location for a new spot for our next segment, for our next shot. And we were considering going to the beach or going into the wooden boardwalk of Collins Avenue in Miami Beach. But then I saw these plants, these golden plants, that they were lit by the setting sun at our camera right. So I stopped everybody and told them this is our next spot. So everybody were a little bit confused because, as you can see, you see these fences. They were building something in the parking lot, as you can see from the trucks and everything. I think there is a boat show coming up. So I posed my model Neffy, and right in the middle of this plants, I increase my grade of the Kelvin temperature to about maybe 6,000 or a little bit more than that, and brought down my exposure on camera, because I knew that once I added them, I can bring everything back and enhance those golden colors that I was looking for. So guys, when you're in a shooting with the clients or with a model, and you're looking for a location, don't just look for the super epic location that you're dying to shoot in, but just look for those really small golden location that your eyes usually are not trained to spot. Over here we're just walking down the boardwalk, and I just spot this location, and I said, oh my god, this is perfect, also because the sun was on camera right and was actually behind the model. So it was really perfect scenario. But you guys really have to train your brain to spot this kind of location. So at the end of this this session, the sun was really setting, and we want to finish the day at the beach. So I had one more shot that I had in mind. So I asked Neffy to sit down in this kind of bushes and to sit down, relax. I just pose her hand a little bit, and you can see how meticulous I am when I'm posing my subjects. This is one of my really favorite images of these 2 days, and this is how it was shot. As you can see, I always use one off-camera flash, nothing more, and this shot was shot at f4.5, if I don't mistake, 1/800 of a second, and so it was in between high-speed sync and not. So, but you see the mood, the dramatic look that I love when I create this kind of shoot. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoy it and you learn something different, something new. And as you can see, I create all these stunning images with just one off-camera flash. So you have to master your Latin, get the knowledge, go get out there and keep practicing. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to like this video, and to share it all over your social media. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.